Hi, good morning. My name is Anuj Gupta from Tag Investments. Welcome to the Market Outlook. Market क्या लगता है? नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अनुज गुप्ता है. आप लोगों का स्वागत करते हैं मार्केट आउटलुक मार्केट क्या लगता है में. हम लोग रोज सुबह 8:45 से 9 के बीच में लाइव आते हैं अपने YouTube टैग इन्वेस्टमेंट्स चैनल पे, जहाँ पे हम निफ्टी, बैंक निफ्टी, स्टॉक टेक्निकल स्टॉक पिक ऑफ द डे, फंडामेंटल स्टॉक पिक ऑफ द डे, करेंसी लेवल, ऑप्शन डेटा सेटअप, ग्लोबल न्यूज, लोकल न्यूज के बारे में हम लोग चर्चा करते हैं. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन. Yesterday we saw Nifty closing at 16,563 levels, yet another lifetime high, and we see this momentum continuing in the times to come. Yet one needs to be cautious, and there can be a sideways, or you can say there can be few profit booking happening at this level. But however, we recommend to buy on dips, and we've seen this in the recent past. So buy on dips is always advised for a next target of 16,600 and then 16,700. The key level to watch out would be 16,450. At the support level, 16,400 and then 16,350 looks the immediate support levels. Till the time it respects the support levels, we can see the further upside of 16,600 and 16,700. On the bank Nifty, we saw a small doji candle being formed, which is indecisive as to whether it will go up or down. But however, the resistance is intact at 36,250 and then 36,500, and support at 35,800 and then 35,500 levels. So the key level to watch out for bank Nifty would be 36,000. As far as the option setup is concerned, we are largely positive, and we suggest to go long and buy on Nifty weekly 16,550 call till it holds above 16,450 zone. On the option strategy, one can go with a Nifty weekly bull call ladder spread by buying 16,550 call, selling 16,600 call, and selling 16,700 call at a net cost of 14 to 15 points. On the option writing, one can sell Nifty weekly 16,200 put and 16,700 call with a net inflow of around 20 points with a double stop loss of 40 points. Our technical pick for the day is again LNT. One can go with the previous close of 16.56 with a target price of 17.45 and stop loss of 16.30. There was a little profit booking yesterday and consolidation in and around LNT, but we still feel this is the stock pick of the day for today as well, and one can trade at this level. On the USD INR, yesterday the currency markets were closed, so we expect the USD INR to open on a flat basis around 74.25 to 74.3. USD INR is likely to trade with a sideways bias between intraday resistance at 74.5 and support at 74.2. Higher resistance at 74.65, while strong lower support is at 73.95, and one can trade in between these two ranges which we quoted. On the global news front, the US Dow closed 110 points up. Dow future is trading 84 points down. European indices closed negative 0.3 to 0.9%. Today, the Asian indices are trading mixed, minus 0.8 to plus 0.2. So the global cues overall looks mixed. As far as Indian markets are concerned, it closed at 34 points up at 16,563 levels. FIIs were sellers to the tune of 1088 crores, while DIIs bought shares worth 50 crores. India VIX closed at 13.46 levels, up by 3.6%. Currently, XGS Nifty is trading 10 points down, and we should open on a soft to negative note as far as the from the local or the Indian market cues are concerned, or the domestic markets are concerned. On the news and impact, Infosys, the company will make an additional investment of $0.45 million in tidal scaling, taking its total investment in the software-defined server technology startup to $3.45 million. So this is positive for Infosys. Aarti Industries can be in news today and can be in focus today. The company's board will meet on August 19 to consider the demerger of the pharma business and allied activities into a separate entity. The two fundamental picks for the day are India Bulls Real Estate at the current market price of 154. The company has filed an application with LCLT for a merger with Embassy Group's entities. Company had reported a profit of rupees 4.86 crores in first quarter FY22 versus loss of rupees 94.46 a year ago. So this is definitely a good news and good positive thing for India Bulls Real Estate, and overall real estate counters have been in focus. So one can definitely take a look at India Bulls as well. The second research idea is Bajaj Finance at the current market price of 6377 for a target price of 6750. Bajaj Finance first quarter FY22 PAT, profit after tax, was up 4% YOY, while NII at INR 37 billion was up 12% YOY. OPEX was largely in line. Overall, first quarter FY22 was a decent quarter for Bajaj Finance. Customer acquisitions and new loans booked were healthy even in a pandemic disrupted quarter. Margins are likely to see a sharp improvement in FY22 on lower cost of funds, reduced liquidity, a favorable base due to interest reversals. We expect Bajaj Finance to deliver 4.8% ROA, 23% ROE over the medium term. So this is positive, and one can look to invest in Bajaj Finance at the current market price for a target price of 6750. The top research ideas for a time frame of more than 1 year are ICICI Bank, Hindalco, Gujarat Gas, Sun Pharma, and Godrej Consumer for an upside between 15 to 19%. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Happy trading, happy investing. And in case you've not subscribed to our channel by the name of Tag Investments, do hit the subscribe button.